Question 15 is another local question. It starts out with an if, and it's asking about what must be true, just like 14. And just like 14, it gives us two things to slot into place. So if Freedom goes to Guadalupe in week 1 and Trinidad in week 2. So throw down your spaces and number them. Fill in what they tell you to fill in. So G in week 1, T in week 2. Don't forget about the T that's already in week 7. Now check your inventory of what you have left to use. We still haven't seen MGM somewhere. There's 4 spaces left for MGM. They'll take up 3 of them. But also remember, we haven't used J yet, and J has to follow a G. It can't follow the G that's in week 1 because T is in the way. So that means it'll have to be the G that's in between the 2 M's. So now MGJM, that is 4 things in a row. We only have 4 spaces, so they're going to drop down into those 4 spaces. And that sketch is what we call completely determined. Everyone is in a space, no changes allowed. So we're just going to go through the answer choices process of elimination style. Answer choice A, Freedom goes to Martinique in week 3. Well, yeah, that must be true. It's nice when it's the first answer. We don't have to check any more of them, although for educational purposes, we can take a look at the others. On the day of the test, you probably should fill in your answer as A and move to the next question. But for educational purposes, answer choice B said that Freedom goes to Martinique in week 4. No, it's going to G in week 4. C says it's M in week 5, and we say no, it's J in week 5. D, G in week 3, no, it's M in week 3. Answer choice E, G in week 5, no, it's J in week 5. Answer choice A is our answer.